Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. Healthy aging and its significance, 6 keys to a long healthy life. Today, we're diving into a critical topic, healthy aging. How we approach our health can significantly impact our quality of life as we age. Healthy aging isn't just about adding years to our lives, it's about adding life to our years. So, let's explore the 6 keys to a long, healthy life and why they matter. First, discuss the 6 keys. Balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, mental stimulation, social connections, stress management, and regular health checkups. These elements are crucial in maintaining our overall well-being as we age. For instance, balanced nutrition is vital. Older adults often face unique dietary needs, and adopting healthy eating patterns can help manage chronic conditions and boost energy levels. Think of colorful fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins as your best friends on this journey. Now, let's look at mobility and mental health. Staying active is essential, not just for physical health but also for mental clarity. Regular exercise can enhance your mood, improve cognitive function, and even reduce the risk of depression. Whether walking, yoga, or dancing, moving your body keeps you feeling young and vibrant. Moreover, maintaining strong social connections can significantly enhance your mental health. Engaging with friends and family, or even joining community groups, can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of loneliness. In summary, healthy aging is about embracing a lifestyle that promotes longevity and vitality. Focusing on nutrition, mobility, and mental well-being allows us to enjoy a fulfilling life as we age. So, let's get on this journey together. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. The science of healthy aging, 6 keys to a long, healthy life. We share the science behind healthy aging and the 6 essential components contributing to a long, vibrant life. Understanding these keys can empower you to take charge of your health as you age. First and foremost, let's talk about nutrition. A well-balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is crucial for maintaining energy levels and preventing chronic diseases. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and fiber significantly support heart health and cognitive function. So, make sure your plate is colorful and packed with nutrients. Next up is exercise. Regular physical activity is not just about staying fit. It's about enhancing your overall well-being. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity each week, combined with strength training exercises. This helps maintain muscle mass, improve balance, and boost mental health. Whether walking, swimming, or yoga, find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. Now, let's learn the importance of social connections. Engaging with friends, family, and the community can significantly impact your mental health. Strong social ties can reduce stress, combat loneliness, and improve cognitive function. So, don't hesitate to reach out and nurture those relationships. Another critical component is regular health screenings. As we age, staying on top of our health is essential. Regular checkups help catch potential issues early, allowing for timely intervention. This proactive approach can make a world of difference in your health outcomes. Finally, adopting a proactive approach to your health is vital. This means being informed, setting health goals, and making lifestyle changes that support your well-being. Remember, healthy aging is a journey, not a destination. Focusing on these 6 essential components can pave the way for a fulfilling and vibrant life as you age. Let's make this journey together. Why are healthy eating patterns important for older adults? We're working on a crucial topic, nutrition's significance in older adults' lives. Our bodies undergo various changes as we age, making adopting healthy eating patterns that support our overall well-being essential. First and foremost, a balanced diet is vital in preventing chronic diseases. What we eat can influence conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis. By incorporating various nutrient-dense foods, older adults can significantly reduce their risk of these diseases. For instance, a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can help maintain a healthy weight, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. Now, look at some specific nutrients that are vital for aging bodies. Calcium and vitamin D are essential for bone health, helping to prevent fractures and osteoporosis. Omega-3 fatty acids in fish and flax seeds support heart health and cognitive function. Additionally, fiber is crucial for digestive health, helping to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy gut. Don't forget about antioxidants, which can combat oxidative stress and inflammation, two factors contributing to aging. Here are some tips on meal planning and healthy eating habits to make healthy eating easier. Start by creating a weekly meal plan that includes a variety of foods. This helps ensure you get all the necessary nutrients and makes grocery shopping more efficient. When preparing meals, aim for balance. Include a source of protein, healthy fats, and plenty of colorful vegetables on your plate. Lastly, consider cooking in batches and freezing portions for later. This can save time and make sticking to healthy eating habits easier. Remember, small changes can lead to significant improvements in your health. Older adults can enjoy a more vibrant, active lifestyle by prioritizing nutrition. Let's see the power of healthy eating together. Maintaining mobility as we age. A key to aging successfully. We're addressing a vital aspect of healthy aging: maintaining mobility through physical activity. As we age, staying active becomes increasingly essential for our overall health and well-being. Learn why exercise is critical for older adults and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. First, let's discuss various forms of exercise suitable for seniors. It's important to choose activities that are enjoyable and safe. Low-impact exercises like walking, swimming, and cycling are excellent options that can improve cardiovascular health without putting too much strain on the joints. Strength training is also crucial. Light weights or resistance bands can help maintain muscle mass and improve balance. Activities like yoga and Tai Chi promote flexibility, coordination, and mindfulness, making them perfect for enhancing physical and mental well-being. Now, let's look at the benefits of staying active. Regular physical activity can help manage weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve mental health by alleviating symptoms of anxiety and depression. Staying active also enhances mobility, making daily tasks easier and reducing the risk of falls, a common concern for older adults. Moreover, exercise can boost cognitive function, helping to keep your mind sharp as you age. So, how can you incorporate movement into your daily routine? Start small. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week, which can be broken down into manageable sessions. Consider taking short walks after meals, joining a local fitness class, or dancing in your living room. The key is to find activities you enjoy, making it easier to stay consistent. Remember, every bit of movement counts. By prioritizing physical activity, you'll maintain mobility and live as you age. Let's see the joy of movement celebrate air. How I know my mind. Boosting older adults' mental health. The mental health challenges older adults face. As we age, it's common to encounter issues like anxiety, depression, and cognitive decline. However, there are effective strategies to maintain cognitive function and enhance mental well-being. First, let's discuss some strategies for maintaining cognitive function. Regular mental exercises can be incredibly beneficial. Activities like puzzles, crosswords, and memory games stimulate the brain and help improve memory and problem-solving skills. Learning new skills, whether a musical instrument, a new language, or even cooking a new recipe, can keep your mind sharp and engaged. Aim to challenge yourself regularly. The more you use your brain, the healthier it stays. Another crucial aspect of mental health is social engagement. Staying connected with friends and family can significantly impact your emotional well-being. Regular social interactions can reduce feelings of loneliness and isolation, which are common among older adults. Join community groups, book clubs, or volunteer opportunities to foster connections. Even a simple phone call or video chat can make a difference in maintaining those vital relationships. Moreover, mental stimulation is critical. Activities like reading, attending lectures, or participating in workshops can keep your mind active and engaged. Don't forget about the power of creativity. Painting, writing, or crafting can be therapeutic and provide a wonderful outlet for self-expression. If you or someone you know is struggling with mental health, there are numerous resources available. Many communities offer support groups and counseling services tailored for older adults. Websites like the National Institute of Mental Health and the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration provide valuable information and resources. In summary, prioritizing mental health is essential for aging successfully. By incorporating cognitive exercises, fostering social connections, and seeking support, older adults can enhance their mental well-being and enjoy a fulfilling life. Let's embark on this journey together. We emphasize the importance of healthy aging practices. Adopting a balanced diet, staying physically active, and maintaining strong social connections are crucial for enhancing physical and mental well-being as we age. Focusing on these areas can significantly improve our quality of life and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. We also highlighted the significance of nutrition for older adults. A well-rounded diet rich in essential nutrients can help manage health conditions and boost energy levels. Remember, incorporating various foods into your meals is critical to getting the nutrients your body needs. In addition, we discussed the role of physical activity in maintaining mobility and cognitive function. Engaging in regular exercise not only keeps your body fit but also supports mental health, helping to alleviate feelings of anxiety and depression. Finding enjoyable activities can make staying active a fun part of your daily routine. Lastly, we addressed the importance of mental health and social engagement. Staying connected with loved ones and participating in stimulating activities can combat loneliness and keep your mind sharp. Don't hesitate to seek support if you have mental health challenges. There are many resources available to help. Now, it's time for you to take actionable steps toward better health. Start by incorporating small changes into your daily routine, whether a new recipe, taking a walk, or reaching out to a friend. Every little effort counts. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who might benefit from this information. Together, we can create a community focused on healthy aging and well-being. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.